Merry Christmas. My name is Maya, and I would like to wish all of you a very Merry Christmas and a super happy holidays on behalf of our service and sales team here at Byrider Fond du Lac. We work hard every day to continue to help those who are serious about restoring their credit get back on track and stay on track. Your credit is an incredibly important asset that can open many doors of opportunity, but like every asset, there are steps to take to maintain your credit score. You may be wondering, Maya, what is so great about having good credit? Good credit plays an important role in your financial life. Not only is it essential for obvious things like qualifying for a loan or getting a credit card, but for less obvious things like for getting approved for an apartment, renting a car, or even perhaps getting a job in some cases. Managing your credit will also help you save for a rainy day. A strong credit history reflected in good credit scores will let you qualify for lower interest rates, fees, and free up additional money to set aside for emergencies, retirement, or other smaller unexpected expenses, which can reduce the stress and lead to greater financial freedom. The great news is establishing good credit is not difficult, and our company is dedicated to helping those that have had credit challenges get into a vehicle and get back on the road to restoring their credit with affordable payments that allow you to get your credit back on track, backed by a 48-month, 48,000-mile warranty that covers most of the vehicle's major components at just a $50 deductible. So, if that sounds like something that you are interested in, give me a call at 920-204-0300 or stop in today at 44 North Rolling Meadows Drive in Fond du Lac, Wisconsin.